A live look tonight outside of Walter Reed Medical Center. President Trump expected to be there for the next few days after testing positive for COVID-19.
I want to thank everybody for the tremendous support. I'm going to Walter Reed Hospital. I think I'm doing very well, but we're going to make sure that things work out.
Camila Bernal live now with the latest.
A historic day as the president now at the hospital. We do know that before leaving the hospital, President Trump recording a quick video where he told his supporters and the American public that he was thankful for everything that they had been doing, and also saying that he was doing well and that he was going to the hospital just to make sure that things would work out.
I want to thank everybody for the tremendous support.
It's the most serious known medical threat to a sitting president in decades. President Trump walking out of the White House and into Marine One on the way to Walter Reed National Military Medical Center. This after testing positive for COVID-19.
I think I'm doing very well, but we're going to make sure that things work out.
President Trump is in a high-risk category for serious complications. His doctor gave the president a dose of Regeneron, an experimental treatment, as the president is evaluated by a team of experts.
If we give our antibodies, we hope that we will give his immune system enough of a boost so that he can win this and make a complete recovery.
When the president revealed his diagnosis early Friday, he tweeted, "We will get through this together." Thursday, after his aide, Hope Hicks, tested positive for COVID-19, the president attended a private fundraiser in New Jersey. Wednesday, he held a Minnesota rally with minimal masks and little social distancing. Tuesday, the president shared the debate stage with Democratic nominee Joe Biden.
I don't wear masks like him. Every time you see him, he's got a mask.
Biden and his wife tested negative, as did his running mate, Senator Kamala Harris, and the Vice President Mike Pence and the Second Lady. But President Trump is now a patient. The White House says he will continue to work for the next several days from the hospital's presidential offices.
I appreciate it. I will never forget it. Thank you.
And the White House today is saying that the president is still in charge. There will not be a transfer of power, despite the fact that he will be at the hospital for a number of days. He will be working out of the hospital, and we will be waiting for White House officials to give us an update in terms of the president's health, which they still have yet to do so. Reporting live at the White House, I'm Camila Bernal. Back to you.
Camila, thank you very much. Notre Dame's president has tested positive for COVID-19 as well. Reverend John Jenkins is entering an extended period of isolation after getting the results. A message sent to members of the campus community says that Jenkins works regularly with a colleague who had the virus. In a press release, the president says, quote, "The positive test is a good reminder for me and perhaps for all of how vigilant we need to be." About a week ago, Jenkins attended the announcement of Supreme Court nominee Judge Amy Coney Barrett. He was seen shaking hands and not wearing a mask. He says he regrets that decision. Meantime, Amy Coney Barrett has tested negative for the virus. She was tested this morning and is reportedly being tested daily. Sources say Barrett already has had the virus earlier this summer, as did her husband. Barrett recovered. Her husband was asymptomatic. Confirmation hearings for Barrett are scheduled to begin October 12th.